Acura Sprinkle Handcraft Extras from its Performance Manufacturing Center into a new Ford 2023 TLX Type S BMC edition. This special edition is available in three colors, previously used on the NSX: Curva Red, 130R White, and Long Beach Blue. Exterior BMC details include a Berlina black roof, antenna, door handles, and exhaust tip. Chopper colored 20-inch lightweight wheels, also inspired by the NSX, are exclusive to this model. Interior. Inside, the TLX has an expressive design that highlights its sporty character. These include attractive analog gauges and prominent rotary drive mode selector in the middle of the dashboard. Solidified by Acura's excellent build quality, the TLX also boasts nicer cabin materials than its predecessor, including open-pore wood and real aluminum. Engine. The regular TLX features a 272 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder latched to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard, and Acura's all-wheel drive system, which is called SHAWD, and shuffles power among the wheels to improve agility and traction, is optional. 2023 Acura TLX. We expect to see the 2023 Acura TLX arrive before the end of 2023. Pricing for the 2023 Acura TLX is expected to remain close to the current model's range. The TLX that is on sale now start at $38,745 and goes up to $54,645.